So it's Monday, June 6th, and we are on our way to the library. So we still have the car full of sand. We got home late last night, but it's kind of sprinkling. I think it's supposed to be some type of a tornado watch in the next hour. So we're gonna step into the library, go check out some books for the girls to read, and we'll be right back. Watch the road.
Anything not passing us?
Yeah. Christina's checking out books. She's totally loving this. Good job, Kuka. Oh my goodness, it's raining now. We got out. It was sprinkling when we left. But we got some books, we got some videos. I got some books for Adriana. She's been out of school for the past couple weeks, so she's been relaxing, having fun. Over the summer, I want her to read or do some of her workbook. So Christina found some Dora books, and she's so excited to read them.
I think that's right.
So we just got home, and I ran out of the car, and I'm still looking for an umbrella. But poor Christina's in there freaking out. Tuesday, June 7th, and the weather is going to be worse than yesterday, but I'm here at Publix grabbing some groceries real quick before the crazy weather starts. I love my Publix. They're so personal. I'm going to take advantage. I have nobody with me. I'm going to go get my eyebrows done. They are so quick. I love it. I love it. I can walk in, no appointment, walk in, maybe 5 minutes, and I'm out. I'm out the door. Okay, so I'm back into starting to work on my side. I already cleared everything out, and now it's time to put things in order. Skin, lotions, perfumes, hair stuff, and miscellaneous extra stuff. So I got this at the Container Store. I got some soap here, some lotion. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that one. I like how clean it looks. Then I worked on my makeup stuff. For now, I just put everything that I have there and figure out what works, what doesn't. Here's hair stuff. Don't have much. And then I redid this over here. So even though I have makeup here, brushes and stuff weren't working, so it's like a little tray that I can take out, use whatever makeup I need at the moment in the morning, and put everything back nice and neat. There's my little medicine cabinet, just my basics and what I use daily. Okay, so even though it's a bit cloudy today, the girls are enjoying our saltwater pool. Adriana, can you taste the salt?
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah, I'm constantly spitting out water.
Oh. Well, it's better than the chlorine taste, right?
Yeah. The chlorine just still like tastes awful. And when the chlorine, ew.
Fuchi. Adriana, Adriana. Sisters. So Adriana and Christina are going to put on a show. Woohoo!
Being a dolphin.
And now, the mermaid. That's a good ab exercise. I'll need to try that on next time I get in the pool. Oh, yay!
Are you done?
Wow, the seal split his fin in half.
Yeah.
That's so silly. There you go. There you go. You got the feel of it. Hey! Yay! That's the backwards crab.
I'm doing this like.
I don't know what that was.
I know. That's like a yoga pose. We gotta ask Mila what yoga pose that is called. Okay, so I didn't get a chance to do this yesterday, but I'm going to do it now. Okay, so I just got done trimming. I actually trimmed and colored my hair. And it looks
Can I check Christina's hair?
like a burgundy color. I like the color. I actually trimmed it myself because it's been way too long. So
Way too long.
I don't think I did too bad. I kept it kind of this
Her
way.
hair looks better than mine. Christina, you're behind me.
No, Mama. No, that's not true at all. And here's
mine is
Christina.
really long.
We're heading out to musical theater once again. We might be going on a road trip. So Adriana's trying to find challenges to see how many people, how many likes this video gets. If you have any ideas, comment down below.
If you
she's
guys
so-
want me to cut my hair, comment down below. I'll think about it because I've been thinking about cutting my hair for the summer. So if you guys want me to cut my
It
hair,
is
like, if you
long.
want me, look, it's like all the way down to there. So it's this long. It's totally.
Should we
this long.
chop it off? She thinks she looks like Dora when she.
Yeah,
when
I
her
don't want to.
hair is
I don't
short.
want to cut it that short. I would like to cut it like.
You should do like
If
a little
I'm cutting
bob
it
like
for
we
the
did that one
summer, I would cut it up to here, probably. Yeah, like a little bit longer than shoulder length.
That
If you
grew
guys,
out really quick though.
yeah, if you guys think I should do that, then comment down below.
So Alan got the RV and he's cleaning it up now, getting it ready to take out. So Alan's been a little bit stressed. He's got a lot of work to do, but he needed to get away, and that's why we kind of ended up making the decision of taking the RV and going for a ride. Plus, we get to test drive, test it out before we actually go next month. So it'll be fun. So now we're getting ready to go to our last musical theater class, where they're gonna have some, run through the show and then have some cookies. So we were heading to musical theater, but we made it here early. So what do?
We're going to Forever 21.
We're going to the mall for the next 25 minutes. So we're gonna be doing speed shopping and
I've never been to
look
Forever
around.
21 before.
Yeah. So it's Adriana's first time at Forever 21. And of course we're blessed to have American Girl doll store here, right in our mall. Let's go in. Go Christina. Oh, heavy door, heavy door. Here we are.
If she sees what we've done, well then it's right.
Who's been painting my roses red? Who's been painting my roses red? Was it you?
Oh no, I wouldn't do that, Your Grace. Perhaps though you should ask the ace. It was you. So maybe even the three.
Look up, speak nicely, don't twiddle your fingers. Turn out your toes and always say, yes, Your Majesty.
cute.
That all hiccups that I got.
You got hiccups?
Oh, wait, I got more hiccups.
Adriana got a trophy
Look at
for
mommy,
doing
look at
3
mommy.
years
I didn't
of
get it.
musical theater.
I just
Show
wrote
Mama.
exactly what you just said in my Instagram.
Yay, good job, Adriana.
Stay in school, kids. Ding.